Good morning from Blackpool. Here with Stevie. Stevie's here today.
Hi.
Rich is here as well. But it's going to be an interesting day today. The Pleasure Beach have actually invited us along today to a special media event. Got a few activities planned throughout the day, which obviously we'll be showing you guys. We may get the opportunity to even film a few POVs, which is very, very rare for the Pleasure Beach.
Maybe.
Maybe. I think it depends on the weather, it depends on the operations and everything. But it's late night riding tonight, so we're going to be here right until park close, which is 10 PM tonight, followed by some fireworks. Lots to look forward to throughout the day. And let's go and enjoy it. We just enjoyed a complimentary donut.
It's very nice donut.
Yeah, it was lovely, wasn't it? Bit of Krispy Kreme. There's only left in there now. But there's 2 left. Rich is eyeing them up. Rich hasn't had one yet. Yeah, we made a mistake of having a big breakfast. We didn't know there were going to be free donuts straight away. Yeah, we're just gathering. We're going to have a talk from Robert in a minute. Robert's just over there having a chat. It's quite an interesting day that we've got planned, I think. We even got an ERT on the Derby Racer, which Rich only rode for the first time last week.
Hey, I'm on the tally now.
So, our first item of the day is we're going to get some exclusive ride time on the Derby Racer, which is a particular favourite of mine. Now they have said that we've got a little treat in store for us, which I'm really intrigued to see what it is. Apparently they'll have customised the horses. There'll be a SpringyTales horse.
I really want to know what's on the horse.
Okay, I can't wait to see what it is. A lovely Derby Racer. Interestingly, it looks like what they've done is some of the horses have actually got names printed onto them. So we'll be keeping an eye out as we go around for our channel name on the side of a horse. Look at this. It's a SpringyTales horse. That's very cool, isn't it? That's an awesome touch. So about that, we had a horse named after us on the Derby Racer.
So cool, what a nice little touch.
Yeah, really, really appreciate it. Thank you to Blackpool Pleasure Beach for doing that for us.
Just a lovely horse, isn't it? It's nothing, they didn't have to do that, but it was lovely.
Yeah.
I really liked it, that was amazing.
Yeah, Derby Race is a big favourite of ours actually, so it's a really, really nice touch and we really appreciate it. Now, in another nice touch, the park have also given us complimentary speedy pass for today, which is very, very much appreciated. Thank you again to Pleasure Beach, really sorted us out today. How was your ride on Icon, Stevie?
Soggy.
It was a bit soggy. It is, I was going to say it looks like it might be stopping raining a little bit, but I don't think it is at the moment.
It was good fun, but I couldn't see a thing going on. Just bullets of rain in my face.
Nice. Enjoyable ride though.
Oh, yeah.
Icon's running nicely today. It's on 3 trains as well, so it's eating the queue up.
Quick switch around as well.
Yeah, obviously we were in the speedy pass queue of course, but it's yeah, it was a enjoyable ride as it goes around. I didn't manage to film any of Icon because, well, we're stood undercover at the moment because this camera's not waterproof and I don't want to get it wet. We are just waiting to meet some of the PR team here by the big one because we believe that we're going to have an opportunity to film a POV on the big one in a minute, which is very exciting. Rich is going to try and get a rider cam view with his hand wrist mount thing that we got there, just like that. But we'll, yeah, hopefully we'll chop some of Rich's footage together with the footage that I'll get from the chest mount, and then you can see both of us. The big one is on 2 trains today, which is good to see on a busy late night riding day. And the queue doesn't look too bad. It's probably about a 45-minute queue on 2 trains from there.
Oh no! Here we go! Woo! Yeah! My eyes! duck.
That was fun.
That was good.
As you can see, we got a little bit wet on the big one, but hopefully you enjoyed the POV. Hopefully it's come out alright, can actually show you the POV. We've just come off Wallace and Gromit. Now Stevie's beckoning me over here because she wants to show me this Gromit Teddy. Let's have a look at the Gromit Teddy. Limited edition Stife Wallace and Gromit.
The Wallace is £169, the Gromit's £75, and he's so cute.
It's a very cute Stife Gromit. Yours for £75, limited edition.
That's not bad for Stife, to be honest.
Yeah. Closer look at Wallace as well. So I want to focus on Wallace. Can we get a better shot? There's Wallace. There we go. Looks really good. Did you enjoy your ride on Wallace and Gromit?
Wallace and Gromit. It's like my little soft spot.
Yeah, lovely dark ride, isn't it? Like as you were saying.
I was looking for like a matching Wallace to go with my Gromit.
Yeah, she has this Gromit here. But we want a matching Wallace.
Doesn't look like they do them anymore.
No. It's a shame, isn't it? Rich is also spotted the Stife bears. We're hiding in here for a bit because, as you can see, it is kind of raining at the moment outside. We are back inside. Can't remember what we last filmed. We were in the Wallace and Gromit shop.
Wallace and Gromit shop?
Yeah. We have.
I was looking for a little Wallace.
Yeah. I don't think we've not been on anything since, have we?
No, we were going to go on Ice Blast.
It's closed at the moment. Not surprised in this weather. We're not having much luck with the weather today, unfortunately. But we are having a good day otherwise. Been on a few rides. It was good to get the POV on the big one. And in the meantime, we've got this. So this is courtesy of the Pleasure Beach, who've given us a free personalised gift today as part of the influencer day. So you can get these from the Kiss Me Quick shop, which is underneath the flying machines, just over there. You can't see anything there, can you?
That way.
But yeah, you go into a machine, choose the item that you want. So you can have things like this coaster. Rich has got a glitter frame, which I'm jealous of Rich's glitter frame. Yeah, you go on there and you choose your design, various different items. What other items did they have?
Keyrings, fridge magnets, sports, mug things,
yeah. And the coasters.
And that's it? I said that. I think that's everything.
Yeah, but you choose your design, it prints out a little receipt and you go to the till and then they print it up for you there. So thanks very much to the Pleasure Beach for our little coaster. I've now been provided with some fish and chips. Personally, I don't actually eat fish, so I'm just going to eat the chips.
Put vinegar on your phone.
Don't put vinegar on your phone. Yeah, I'm sure Stevie will eat my fish. Yeah, I've got some mushy peas though. We love a bit of mushy peas. So we're going to have some chips and mushy peas. So in a minute, in a nice touch, we'll have the opportunity to make our own candy floss. It should be interesting. That's cotton candy for those of you in the US, if you're not sure what candy floss is. Stevie's giggling at me. Yeah, I'm looking forward. I've not had candy floss for a long time, so I'm looking forward to. I've never made candy floss myself, so I'm really looking forward to making it, and then looking forward to eating it as well. How about you? With your funny faces that you're pulling. Are you looking forward to
making it?
About eating it?
I'm not like a massive fan of candy floss. I can have a little bit, but then I'll feel sick. But I'm really looking forward to making it. I've always wanted to try that.
There you go. It's a special day. Stevie attempting to make her own candy floss.
So you can just start going straight there. That's it. You're onto a winner here. That's it, and then up a little bit more. Just drop it so you can keep it. Keep going.
Look at that.
Yeah,
You're doing
really,
it.
really good. So if you lift that straight out now. Oh, give it
Yeah.
a flip. There you go.
There we go.
There you go.
Nicely done.
I'm a new calling.
That's a really good effort. No, you're welcome.
Alan's going to try and beat Stevie now.
Literally start now, so you're going to twist the stick and roll it around the edge of the bowl. You're starting to stop. There you go. That's it. Just keep it a little lower.
Pressure's on.
Perfect. Keep that going around.
Tried to be a bit
That's it.
cocky there, doing it left-handed.
We've got another natural where Eddie didn't. Really That's good though. That is good.
It looks like Marge Simpson. The leaning tower of candy floss.
That's really hard.
That was really fun, wasn't it? Making candy floss.
I want to do that again.
You're enjoying eating it now. Very tasty. Mine's gone already.
I'll make that again right now.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. So after the fun of the candy floss making,
That was so much fun. I want to do it again. Thank you so much. I found my new calling in life.
Nearly
Making
caught-
candy floss.
I nearly called it ice cream at first. Ice cream making. We were going to go on Ice Blast. Maybe that's why I was thinking ice cream, Ice Blast, ice cream. But yeah, Ice Blast is having some difficulties at the moment. So we just booked onto the Big Dipper. So we're going to head over to the Big Dipper.
I thought we were doing Shriek.
No, we're doing Big Dipper first.
Have you got the Shriek or Big Dipper? Alright, okay.
Yeah.
Just me then.
Oh, we've got hot ice. We're going to see hot ice at 7 o'clock.
I'm so excited for that, like, because we've watched a few shows lately in Blackpool and we've really enjoyed them. It's like up to the excitement for this one.
Yeah.
And I really want to go see it.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to hot ice. Fortunately, there is no filming or photography allowed inside hot ice, even for us on this this special media day today. So we won't be able to show you guys hot ice, but I'm sure we'll tell you about it later. But that's in a little while anyway. Let's head over to Big Dipper. How was your ride on the front row of Icon?
Amazing.
It was good, wasn't it?
I love front row icon.
Yeah, it's a lovely ride.
It's like, honestly, I still enjoy the ride, but being on the front is completely different
Yeah,
to the rest of the train. It's like a different ride.
It's
So
definitely
good on the front.
the best place for me.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to hot ice, Stevie? Should be really good, shouldn't it? First time we've watched it. Over here, we've got some of the dancers who are currently saying hello to some of the fellow members of the group. Just watched Hot Ice, which was, it's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
Consider it's not, I mean obviously you see it advertised around the park and things. A lot of people come to Blackpool Pleasure Beach and just do the rides and don't really think about the shows and things.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
We come here, we hammer the rides. And I want to say a big thank you to the press team for providing tickets for that, because it's something that we wouldn't normally do. We come to a theme park, we hammer rides, we go home.
Yeah.
And I've just seen, over the last couple of weeks actually, there's a few things we've been invited to, and it's opened up a whole new side of Blackpool for me.
Yeah,
that I fell in love with. I really love it.
There's so much more than just the rides here at Pleasure Beach to do. So many, all the different shows that are on offer. I really recommend, honestly recommend that you come and check out, particularly Hot Ice, because that was absolutely fantastic.
That was world class. Like, I know less than nothing about ice skating, and I thoroughly enjoyed that, and I would go and see it again.
Yeah, and even like all the choreography and everything, all the costumes are made in house. There's a costume department behind Valhalla over there. They were telling us earlier, and just the amount of effort that goes into making that show.
It's so intense and exciting, and I just loved it.
Yeah.
I want to go see it
Yes,
again.
I'd definitely go and see it again. It was fantastic. Anyway, before the fireworks, we have just managed to snag a little last-minute speedy pass for Revolution. So let's quickly have a go on Revolution. There's vlogs everywhere here. It's Coaster Kingdom, Coaster Crazy. There's Rich, of course. Rich is being interviewed by Andy. Yeah. Jay's busy. Jay's filming Andy. Filming Rich. And I'll film Jay filming and Andy. Cameras everywhere. Revolution's looking nice, all lit up. So, love the lighting around the Pleasure Beach. really glad that we went on Revolution there at the end. That was a lot of fun.
We're going to walk into a Diego in a minute.
No, I don't want.
Diego. Is it Diego?
I don't know. Is this Diego?
I think it's Diego.
Diego fans. Is that Diego?
Wrong. Probably wrong.
Diego's right there, so it's got to be Diego.
Yeah.
Bingo.
There we go. Stevie is an expert on kids TV characters. Yeah, we've really enjoyed the Revolution. Now we're off to get. Apparently we've got a little special reserved area to watch the fireworks. So we'll see you over there. So we've actually got some special cupcakes here. Of course, Icon is one this year. There's the big one's 25th birthday. And Revolution, which is 40 this year. The Derby Racer is 60.
Alan's going to do the unboxing of this little thing that we've got.
So we're giving a special gift at the end of the day here, along with a nice beer and a tasty cupcake. So we're going to see what's inside. So it's spoiler, we've already seen what's inside. A few others have already opened theirs. But it's a really, really fantastic gift from the
Pleasure Beach.
It's a little framed 2019 pin badge, and all of the things here, the rides and the White Tower restaurant, that are celebrating their anniversaries this year. You see the big ones, 25, Revolution's 40. It's a really nice touch, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So they didn't have to do most of the stuff they've done today. They didn't have to do for us, and it's been amazing.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. The fireworks are in 1 minute, and Stevie's got a Prosecco. Harry Potter themed fireworks as well. So we may have to cover the fireworks with some copyright-free music.
I do miss my Lucy though. I think Lucy should be here.
Yeah, we miss Lucy. Especially Lucy would really enjoy the Harry Potter fireworks, I think.
Also, I've had to put up with you two all day on one. So I need Lucy.
You've had a good day anyway, haven't you?
Yeah, cracking day.
Anyway, fireworks time. From the social media day here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, and what an amazing day it's been. Yeah, we've really enjoyed ourselves. It's been an incredible day. I can't say thanks enough to the Pleasure Beach for inviting us along.
It's unbelievable the amount of stuff they've actually put on for us today. Like, we haven't done many rides, and we got given Speedy Pass, but our day was that filled with different activities to do that we weren't ever looking for something to do.
Yeah, that's it. There's been so many activities planned for us throughout the day. that the rides, we just kind of got a ride in when we had a spare kind of half an hour here and there. So it's but with the weather as well, we haven't got much kind of off-ride footage today. Obviously we got the on-ride footage of the big one POV, which you were seeing earlier. It's a nice special treat.
Nice treat as well. So thank you very much for letting us do that.
Really appreciate the Pleasure Beach letting us do that. But yeah, with this, it's raining again at the moment. Yeah. But yeah, we've not been able to film much of the off-ride footage today that we normally like to do. But hopefully, it's been an enjoyable day for you guys, an enjoyable watch. Lots of things to see. And yeah, we'll be back at the Pleasure Beach again very soon. In fact, we're definitely here for the late night riding at the end of August. Looking forward to that. Special birthday treat for me. And
for someone else.
Yeah, for the 40th birthday boy over there.
I don't know.
No.
Comment down below.
Yes. Okay. Guess Rich's true age. Don't. Low battery is flashing, so that is a cue for me to shut up quickly before I have to change the battery.
Yeah.
So thanks very much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow our adventures.
And thank you to Pleasure Beach for an amazing day.
Yeah, thank you so much to the Pleasure Beach for inviting us along. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.